Everyone, it's LPSPC here, and today I'm back. If you watched my previous video, making slime with capital letters, you know I'm making slime from a tutorial I saw with just 2 ingredients, soap and salt. So, it's 47, because it's only supposed to be in the freezer for 5 minutes, so let's hurry up. It didn't really end up like good or anything, but I just want to say for myself. There's a green bowl if you're watching my previous video, and it definitely looks weird. Can't even see, it's too dark. Okay, here we go. Let me get a napkin. Yeah, napkin. Here's the, I'm not even using that spoon. Wait 1 sec, I need to get a napkin. A napkin is good. Okay. It definitely did not. Does this look like slime to you? Let me know in the comments if anyone's watching. It is not slime. This is not slime. It's just like sticky and sandy from the salt. This is not slime. It's liquid. Okay, whoever made this video, this is not slime. Okay. Just made my hands dirty. Ugh. I don't really know what salt does to your skin exactly. It's just a whole bunch of lemon, sugar, soap, and salt. Did I freeze it? I don't know. It didn't even look like slime in the tutorial, so. Ew. Ew. I forgot the channel name. Yep. Fail. F-A-I-A-L. Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Ew, this is not slime. Look. No. It's just like soap with like salt. You put too much salt? Is this salt or bubbles? I don't know. This is definitely a fail. Maybe you need to add more salt. All of that. Mix with my hands. Okay, I just added the rest of my salt in that little green, yellow bowl. Yeah, it's not helping now. This is not slime. It's cold. Pretty cold. Sticky situation. If that's how you name it. I can make a rainforest out of this mini rainforest. This would be the rain. Okay. Yep, this was an automatic fail. F-A-I-A-O. How do you spell it? I don't know. I haven't spelled fail in a long time. Last time I spelled was like in 1st grade. Whatever. I don't care anymore. Yeah, so that's how it turned out. Okay. Yeah. Bye. This is not turning off. I can't press this. Okay. You know what? Okay. Bye.